Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
So I've been looking at upgrading my coffee setup. I'm torn between the Philips 5400 LatteGo, you know, the renewed one, and the Nespresso Gran Lattissima by DeLonghi. What do you think?
Oh, interesting choices. They're both super-automatic espresso machines, but they work quite differently. The Philips uses fresh beans, right?
Yeah, exactly. It has ceramic grinders with 12 different grind settings, and it claims it'll do 20,000 cups before they wear out. It makes all sorts of drinks, like espresso, cappuccino, latte macchiato, all at the touch of a button.
That sounds fancy. The Nespresso, on the other hand, uses capsules. It's super convenient, but you're locked into their pod system. It does come with a milk frother, though, for making lattes and cappuccinos.
True, the Philips has the LatteGo system for frothing milk, and it's supposedly really easy to clean. Like dishwasher-safe easy. What about the taste? Does the Nespresso give you a good espresso?
It's pretty good, yeah. The Nespresso has different capsules with varying intensities. You can get a really strong ristretto or something a bit milder. But, it's always going to taste like an espresso. It's not quite the same as freshly ground beans.
That's what I'm worried about. The Philips has this aroma extract system that's supposed to optimize the brewing temperature. It also lets you customize the aroma and volume of your coffee.
Customization is cool. The Nespresso is definitely simpler, though. Just pop in a pod, and you're good to go. And cleaning is a breeze. No grinding mess to deal with. It looks like the Nespresso is currently unavailable.
That's a factor. The Philips is available, but it's a renewed model. It's also quite a bit bigger, at 15 inches deep, 10 wide and 17 high, and weighs almost 19 pounds. The Nespresso doesn't list dimensions, but it looks smaller.
Yeah, space is something to think about. Also, the Philips is $799, while the Nespresso price isn't listed, but originally sold for around $500.
Right, so it really comes down to convenience versus control, and whether I mind going renewed. Thanks. This helps. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.